this tutorial, we will be going through the steps to find missing patient data as well as correcting that patient data. Once we're in the query screen and we've confirmed that we have the correct patient information up, we're going to search for that patient information, and you'll note that the database says we don't have any. If we're confident that that patient does have an image history in our database, we'll want to narrow down the search a little bit. So the first thing we'll do is remove the patient ID number and query again. Fortunately, we have found our patient. With data conversions, often the patient ID will come up as a no ID, and that's what we see here. If we still haven't found this patient, we can also narrow it down further by changing the gender to blank, changing birth dates to blank, or remove first and last name to broaden our search. Once we've found our patient, we're going to select the patient so that they're highlighted. Once the name is highlighted, we're going to come to our data correction checkbox here. We're going to click that. It's going to let us know that it won't allow us to do that until we download the images, so we're going to store those locally. Once the image information screen comes up, we have the ability to adjust our patient information. You would want to know what your correct patient ID is, and if you do, you'd cut and paste that patient ID in there. You're going to click OK, and that has corrected the patient information for that patient. There's one last step that we have to complete. We're going to click Go Back. From there, we're going to notice in our Forward Images button, we now have 4 files to forward. Those are the images for that patient that we've just corrected the information on. So we'll click Forward Images. It will go through that process. We have now completed the steps for finding missing patient data information and making the corrections to that patient to update to the system.